खाना नहीं बचा है, जरूर उसने सारा खाना खा लिया होगा। There is no food left. He must have eaten everything up. There is no food left. He must have eaten everything up. यह कैसा होगा मैं नहीं सोच सकता हूँ। I can't conceive what it must be like. I can't conceive what it must be like. वह सच जानता होगा। He must know this fact. He must know this fact. उसने लंदन की यात्रा अवश्य की होगी। He must have been to London. He must have been to London. शिक्षक अवश्य आ रहे होंगे। The teacher must be coming now. The teacher must be coming now. आप मेरे कहने का भाव अवश्य समझ गए होंगे। You must have understood what I mean to say. You must have understood what I mean to say. मैं तुम्हें बता दूं कि तुम स्मार्ट लग रहे हो। I must say you look smart. I must say you look smart. उसे अपनी गलती स्वीकार करनी चाहिए। He must admit his fault. He must admit his fault. काम चलते रहना चाहिए। The show must go on. The show must go on. तुमने कुआं खोदा है तो तुम्हें अब इसमें गिरना ही चाहिए। You have made your bed and now you must lie in it. You have made your bed and now you must lie in it. खुशी का पल जल्दी गुजर जाता है। All good things must come to an end. All good things must come to an end. मैं मानता हूं कि मुझे घटना के बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है। I must confess to knowing nothing about the incident. I must confess to knowing nothing about the incident. मुझे आज ही यह काम समाप्त करना है। I must complete this work today only. I must complete this work today only. आपको दंड शुल्क अदा करना ही है। You must pay a fine. You must pay a fine. अंग्रेजी का ज्ञान आवश्यक है। Knowledge of English is a must. Knowledge of English is a must. अब कंप्यूटर का ज्ञान रखना आवश्यक है। Knowledge of computer is a must have now. Knowledge of computer is a must have now. अंग्रेजी की अच्छी जानकारी रखना आवश्यक है। A good knowledge of English is a must have. A good knowledge of English is a must have.